Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn in basic skills subject. So open your textbook, page number 19. Now here we have to do add and create. Three shapes are given below. Make three different objects out of them and tell what are they. Here we have one smiley and it has been written smiley over here. So we'll do next two pictures. We'll create something and then name them. First we will draw sun. S-U-N, sun. As you know, sun is of a sphere shape. So we can make this circle sun this way. And now next circle we will make a ball, B-A-L-L, ball. You can draw ball this way. See, it is so easy. You can do it by yourself. Now we have square. So what are the square we have? First of all, we will draw here a gift box. Like when we go to any birthday party or anywhere, we give gift to our friends and wrap it with beautiful and colorful papers and give it to our friends like this way. This is G-I-F-T, gift. Now we'll draw one more picture, that is a box. Normally box are square. So what we can do, as you can see, this is a box. I draw one line here and two on this side and here one. So we can open the box from the top. And now what are we going to do next? Now in this one we can draw a TV. So this is a TV like this. Now we have cone shapes that we can eat ice cream cones. So the ice cream cones are normally like this and we eat them. So that is cone. And the next one is, now we will draw a nice birthday cap. So you can draw this way and make a nice birthday cap. So that is a cap, C-A-P, cap. Now all the kids like to eat pizza. So we will draw here pizza like this. And you can write here P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. Now look at the next page. Observe the given shapes. Draw the object that you find of similar shape inside the given shape. Now children, as we can see here, this is a square, sphere, oval and cone shape. And we have to draw the object as we had drawn in the first page. So first I draw here one more time a gift box, or we can also see that we eat bread, right? So the breads are also square. So we can also draw bread this way. And now circle. So what we can see circle around us, as you have ball, as you have sun, smiley, right? So we can draw a circle in a cake. So we will draw a beautiful and nice circle cake for you. Kids, you have to draw this all pictures by your own self. So this will be your circle birthday cake, or you can also make a circle pizza like like that. Now, do you eat samosa? Yes, we all eat samosa. So samosa are also in which shape? Cone shape. So this is your samosa. And then oval. We have oval shape. Eggs. We eat eggs, right? So this is oval. So students, you have to draw all these pictures by your own self and complete your work. Now children, now look at the page number 2121. Design a t-shirt. You have to design your own t-shirt and design the t-shirt using stars, hearts and circle and color it. So I would like to draw circle here. So it will look nice for my own t-shirt. And then I will use heart in the middle of my t-shirt. And then stars. So I will draw these stars here. And I also draw circles in the sleeves. Student, you can also choose different pattern and take all these shapes and to create a different t-shirt for yourself. But remember, you have to use circles, heart and stars to make your own t-shirt. Now students, I have so many colors, so I can color in my t-shirt. You can also color it with your favorite color. Now look here students, I keep my t-shirt white. I use red color for the heart and circle with yellow and star with green. You can choose your own color which you like. Now children, open the page number 2222. Here you have all these shapes and you have to trace them and write their name by your own self. Now children, here we have first shape, that is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. You have to trace it and finish it. Now cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Then this one cone. C-O-N-E, cone. And last one sphere, like a ball. Now look at the page number 23. Expand the drawing using given the shapes. Here we have a sphere face. Put a dot and nose, then make it a face of a teddy bear. Now we have a cube. So first we will draw one more cube and draw some another inside, then one more like this way, then now we can make this way. You can make a train engine. Now here in the sphere shape, I draw some squares inside, then I put some circles and dots and I prepare a pizza. And now you have cube, cone and semicircle. You can make gift box from this cube, then you can make a birthday cap from the cone, and this one for semicircle you can make a burger bun from this shape and complete your work. Thank you.